Hello, welcome back. More fun fixing it and all of that. This is a package that was sent to me by BobbyWho, who contacted me on the Retro Hardware Discord. You should join the Discord because it's a brilliant place full of amazing people who are super generous, and not all of them are great at packing things. So BobbyWho, who has the best avatar image on our Discord, because it's our Bob Mortimer and everybody loves Bob Mortimer. He offered to send me a Commodore 64 that I think was in his shed, and he said was in unknown condition, and I can do with it as I please. It's obviously going to get sold for charity, but I'm not sure how that's going to happen yet. There is something happening soon. I have a new series coming up on the main channel that is about raising money for charity, but I'm going to be having a lot of fun along the way in a totally different way to anything I've done before. So yeah, this isn't the best packing, but somehow I think it survived. So I'm just going to have a quick look at this one on this video and see if it actually works, and have a little exploration. C64 bread bin with a ratty case. A bit of marking across there. That might actually clean up. Missing a function key and missing the number 3 key. And otherwise, pretty good condition. It's dirty. It's definitely been in a shed, maybe this way up, which might have saved it. And we've got this. Is this an aftermarket one? It's an Altai cassette data unit, computer cassette data unit. That I can't see working, but you never know if it's been... Well, it doesn't actually look too bad in there. That might work. But we'll give that a go separately. And the manual, which I'm going to find something heavy to put that in between and leave it there for a few months, just to straighten it out. Always nice to have a manual. I'll put it under my pet, I think. Let's open this up, see what's going on inside. Screwdriver, that's what I need. So there's 2 different types of screws in Commodore 64 cases. I think these are the bigger ones. No, I'm not sure actually. I think these are the smaller ones. See? And that isn't out of a Commodore 64, that one. Good chance someone's been in here already, and this feels like a different screw as well. Yeah, I've got 3 different screws there. Let's see if I can take this off without breaking case clips. Yeah, they're already broken. All 3, already gone. Oh, okay. Well, this side of the board looks really nice and clean. That side of the board looks less. So all around the switch looks a bit grotty. Supplied, repaired by F.R. Humphreys Electronics in Banbury. I wonder if you're still about, Mr. F.R. Humphreys. And if that's still your telephone number. Okay. So it's been repaired. That's interesting. I wonder if it was a second-hand machine and refurbished, as it were. Different screwdriver. Let's take the board out because I want to see what's on the other side. There might be something organic on the other side. You never know if like a worm's crawled in there and laying across traces. I'm missing 1 screw there. All of the others are in here. Oh, this has had some work done. Oh. Okay, so yeah, this end of the board has definitely had some significant water damage. You can see here, especially, because a lot of these points have gone green, and around the cartridge connector there, it's all corroded. There's some green on there, so something acidic has contacted this. But the other thing is that on this side of the board, you can see here, this is the PLA has been changed or socketed. CPU's been socketed. That's the kernel ROM has been socketed. The basic ROM's been socketed. There's a RAM chip there that's been socketed. And this over here is the 7406. That's been socketed, so the reset wasn't working on this one. We're quite familiar with that. I'm happy just to plug this in and switch it on. I can't see anything that's going to stop it working. Probably should just give that a clean on the back first, actually. Cleaned up beautifully. No problems there at all. I think whatever that corrosion wasn't there for long enough to actually do any damage, as it were. Just taken that lettering off. Whoever's signature that was who built it. Sorry. Well, at least it's on the video, so it's kind of going to survive. Okay. Well, I need to put it in the case. It needs to be in the case because my desk, I'm in the middle of lots of repairs and there's a lot of old solder on my desk and bits of metal, so just being careful. Right, so let's try switching it on. Black screen, black screen, black screen. And it works. It, shall I say it? Freaking works. Well, it's not quite a field found Commodore 64, but it's a survivor. Diagnostics. Got an R3 VIC-2, so that's good VIC-2 here. Nice to have the SID and the PLA socketed. CPU socketed. What year is that? 84. Yeah, there's a lot of 84 chips in here, and the chips that are in sockets are also 84. I wonder if they took them out and then put them back in when they didn't find the fault. I wonder if they ended up finding the fault that was actually the VIC-2. Is that still going? Yeah, it's still going. Do you know, I don't think that is still going. I think the colour RAM has crashed. The colour RAM test has crashed the system. Let's actually, no, let's do that. No, not that one, that one. This will get to the colour RAM quicker. Yeah. Well, the colour RAM's passed on that one. Where's my switch cartridge? Right, I'll let that run through. Okay, that passed, no problem. What's it do with the gain? I'll just stick a bit of contact cleaner in that slot because it's a bit stiff. SID's working as well. I wonder if it was just a dodgy contact, or maybe one of the slots, one of the sockets might have been not perfect when I did that initial test. But we know the RAM's working because Des test showed us it was working. So let's go no RAM check. And then, yeah, everything is good. I'm not going to do the full harness on this. Last thing I want to check is that keyboard. See if that's working okay. It should be fine. Keyboards are very, very simple devices. And even if it's not, I've got lots of spare ones. I'm not sure the shift lock is working very well. or at all. Yeah, it's not working. I think I got it to work once. The test is always the spacebar. Spacebar's working. The only thing that's not working is that shift lock. Probably just needs a clean. But look at that. That's going to be one to clean up you and sell for charity. But yeah, I'm not going to talk about the new series that's coming up on the main channel yet. I'm not ready to release too many details. There has been a little bit of chatter on the Retro Hardware Discord about it. So if you're really desperate for details on that, then join the Discord or have a look in the channel in my section called the Retro Ladder Challenge Ladder, something like that. The name still to be confirmed, but yeah, that will give you a clue about what's going on. Anyway, thanks for watching that. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, I didn't do the tape deck. Nah, I'm not going to do the tape deck. Actually, let's just, before I go, let's just plug this back in. Keyboard is connected. Make sure that works first. Turn it off first. See if it actually works. Nothing. Totally dead. Oh, it's working. Oh, no, I'm not going to put tape in this because I think it might have belt issues. Well, that's freeing up. Yeah, that's not happy. Play seems to work okay. Capstan has pretty good grip. It'd probably be okay, but I'm not going to risk it. I don't want to break a tape in that. And it's not the prettiest example of a data set there ever was. Anyway, yes, thank you for watching. And we're out.